Replacing windows in your Birmingham home is a significant investment that can enhance your property's energy efficiency, security, and aesthetic appeal. However, many homeowners make costly mistakes that can lead to unnecessary expenses, poor performance, and frustration. To ensure a smooth and successful window replacement project, here are the most common mistakes to avoid. Choosing the wrong window type. One of the biggest mistakes homeowners make is selecting windows that do not match their home's style, climate needs, or functionality requirements. Birmingham experiences a mix of weather conditions, from warm summers to cool winters, so energy-efficient windows with proper insulation are crucial. Consider factors such as double or triple glazing, frame materials, and ventilation features when making your choice. 2. Neglecting energy efficiency rating. Energy efficiency should be a top priority when replacing windows. Many homeowners opt for cheaper windows that lack proper insulation and fail to check the energy ratings. Look for windows with a low U factor, which indicates better insulation, and a high Energy Star rating to ensure maximum energy savings. Energy-efficient windows help reduce heating and cooling costs, making them a wise long-term investment. Measuring incorrectly. Accurate measurements are essential for a seamless fit. A common error is underestimating or overestimating window dimensions, leading to gaps, drafts, and costly adjustments. To avoid this mistake, always measure multiple times and consider hiring a professional to ensure precise measurements before ordering your windows. DIY installation without proper knowledge. While DIY projects can be cost-effective, window installation requires expertise. Improper installation can result in air leaks, moisture buildup, and structural damage. Hiring a professional window installer in Birmingham ensures that the job is done correctly, following industry standards and local building regulations. Ignoring local building codes and permits. Each city, including Birmingham, has specific building codes and permit requirements for home renovations, including window replacement. Failing to comply with these regulations can result in fines, delays, and even removal of improperly installed windows. Before beginning your project, check with the local authorities or work with a licensed contractor who understands the necessary codes. Overlooking the importance of proper sealing. Sealing is a crucial step in window installation that prevents drafts, water leaks, and energy loss. Some homeowners underestimate the need for high-quality sealants and insulation materials, leading to premature wear and tear. Ensure that your new windows are properly sealed with durable weatherproofing materials to maintain efficiency and longevity. Focusing only on cost rather than quality. While budget considerations are important, choosing the cheapest option can lead to long-term problems. Low-cost windows may be made from inferior materials, reducing their durability and energy efficiency. Instead of focusing solely on price, consider the overall value by evaluating factors like warranty, material quality, and manufacturer reputation. 8. Not considering noise reduction features. Birmingham has busy streets, and noise pollution can be a concern, especially if you live near main roads or commercial areas. Some homeowners overlook soundproofing options when replacing windows. Double or triple glazed windows with laminated glass can significantly reduce outside noise, creating a more comfortable and peaceful indoor environment. Ignoring maintenance requirements. Different window materials require varying levels of maintenance. Wooden frames, for example, offer a classic look but require regular upkeep to prevent rot and warping. Vinyl and fiberglass windows, on the other hand, are low maintenance and long-lasting. Consider your lifestyle and maintenance preferences when selecting your new windows. Not getting a professional warranty. A reliable warranty protects your investment and provides peace of mind. Some homeowners forget to ask about warranty details when purchasing new windows, leaving them vulnerable to potential defects or installation issues. Ensure that both the windows and installation service come with a comprehensive warranty covering materials and labor. Final thoughts. Replacing windows in your Birmingham home is a great way to enhance comfort, curb appeal, and energy efficiency. However, avoiding these common mistakes is crucial to ensuring a successful project. By choosing the right window type, hiring a professional installer, prioritizing energy efficiency, and adhering to local regulations, you can enjoy the long-term benefits of your investment without unnecessary headaches. If you're considering a window replacement, consult with a reputable professional to guide you through the process and ensure a high-quality result.